Oh, look what I just did.
Got him.
Good job, buddy.
Ah, now that's a beast. Fine, you actually
We gotta measure it.
not off there though.
You gotta get away from that guy.
That was the biggest fish so far.
That was.
And it's a pretty nice one. Dad, stop!
Too close back there. He's trying to fish.
Okay, we're videoing, putting this one on YouTube, huh?
Yeah. Did you do it when I was swimming?
I'm still doing it.
Even when I was swimming? Yes. Why not? These are nice ones. I want to put them back. Can I put them back?
Okay, I gotta get a
Give me
picture.
it. Give me it. Give me that. Give me it. Quick.
Get down on the lower part. Hurry up. Hurry up.